Hi readers, are you ready to get started? Today we are going to be setting purpose, reading our engagement text and then our decodable reader.
Materials!
Go ahead and strap on your thinking cap. Here are today's 3 learning targets. I can retell the events from the story, Sam Wants a Pet. I can read high-frequency words and words that don't play fair. And I can read the decodable text, Sam Wants a Pet.
Transition song!
It's time to hear a story, a story, a story. It's time to hear a story and say what you've learned.
Read aloud.
You can settle in and get comfortable as I read our new reader, Sam Wants a Pet. You'll hear some of the words that we've been talking about recently. Here we go. Sam wanted a pet. There was nothing on the planet that Sam wanted more. Sam asked and asked and asked. Sam begged Dad for a pet. He asked at breakfast, drinking milk. He asked at lunch, eating ham sandwiches. And he asked after dinner, sitting on Dad's chest as his dad was trying to take a nap. The rules don't allow pets in our apartment, said Sam's dad with regret. But Sam had a plan. He would catch a pet. The next day, Sam and Dad went to the park. Sam spotted a furry tail slipping behind a shed. He followed it and found a street cat. He ran after it, but the cat dashed away. Cats can move fast, said Dad with a grin. Maybe my shoes are just too loud, said Sam with a frown. Then Sam tried to catch a beautiful moth, but the moth flew off. Maybe my hands are just too smelly, Sam said with a deeper frown. Then Sam saw a red ant. No, Dad said before Sam could pick it up. Red ants can bite. Sam walked to the pond in the middle of the park. He dunked in his hand to catch a fish. He had no luck. The fish was too fast. Finally, Sam lashed a string to the end of his baseball bat. He put peanut butter on the tip of the string. He lowered it into the damp, dark sewer and waited. But nothing happened. Fish don't live in the sewers, Dad said with a grin. Maybe fish just don't like peanut butter, said Sam with the deepest frown of all. The day was over. Sam dragged himself to his bedroom and sat down on his bed. He watched the sun slip behind the buildings. Sam's dad came in and turned on the desk lamp. Are you sad, kid? Sam's dad asked. Yeah, a little, said Sam. Dad has a plan.
Question and answer.
Let's spend a few moments talking about this story. What did Sam want more than anything in the world? That's right, he really wanted a pet. In the story, the author used this sentence, Sam lashed a string to the end of a baseball bat. What does that mean, that Sam lashed a string? That's right, it means he tied the string to the end of the bat. After that, the story said, he put peanut butter on the tip of the string. He lowered it into the damp, dark sewer and waited. What do you think damp means? That means it's a little wet. And why was Sam so sad at the end of this story? You've got it. He didn't have a pet by the end. Let's keep thinking about this story as we continue with our lesson.
Transition song.
Now it's time to learn some high-frequency words together. It's time to learn the words that readers and writers use a lot.
Word work.
Let's look at this first high-frequency word together. It is one of our new words this week, and it plays fair so we can tap it out. Get. Nicely done. Now, let's look at the rest of the high-frequency words that we will be looking for this week. Let's start with the word get again. Get, gone, to, for, no, and am.
Read aloud.
This book is based on the story that we read together. In this book, you will be able to read some of the words as well. You can decode some words by tapping them out, and there are also high-frequency words in this book. When you hear one of our new high-frequency words, go ahead and touch your nose. As a reminder, our new words for this week are get, for, gone, no, to, and am. Let's get reading. I want a pet, says Sam. Sam begs and begs for a pet. Were there any new high-frequency words on this page? You've got it. For. Dad grins at Sam. Were there any new words on this page? Nope, but one of our old words, at, was here. I can get a pet, says Sam. Sam has a plan. What new words did you see or did you hear? That's right, get. A cat is in the shed. The cat is fast. It can dash. That's right. There weren't any new words on this page. The moth is gone. What new word did you spot? That's right, gone. Dad says no to the red ant. Did you spot any new words? That's right, no. Sam looks in the pond. There weren't any new words on this page, but you saw some old ones. Can Sam dunk his hand in to get the fish? The fish is fast. Did you spot the new word get? Nice job. Sam sits on his bed. I am sad, says Sam. Dad has a plan. Were there any new words on this page? You've got it. Am. Great job searching for those high frequency words and reading our new decodable book.
Close Closing reflection.
Wow, I had so much fun reading with you today. What tools did you use to help you read our new book, Sam Wants a Pet? That's right. You want to continue to search for our new high-frequency words as you read books this week. And as always, you can keep tapping out words as you work to decode them. You are becoming a stronger and stronger reader every day.